刚开始的时候看他们做，觉得比较简单，但是自己做起来挺难的。然后做了之后很有成就感。在我们的国家有孔子学院，然后在那边看老师做。我们其实上课的时候学过关于端午节的一些活动啊、历史故事，但是今天才真正的去亲自看、亲自做。
Hello, I just finished practicing a Dragonboat festival, so I feel that it's very interesting, but it's a little bit hard because it's my first time to do it. So right now I want going to the river to practicing again. So it's really amazing to me because it's the opportunity to me is very good.
I'm very happy to be here to discover Chinese culture, and we all know that China has rich culture. Before I come to China, I already know about this Dragon Boat Festival, and I was very excited to know more about it.
First, I'm so amazed how the craftsmanship make this boat. It's really wonderful. I think it's really hard and it took a lot of effort to make one boat. And I think we have the same cultural event like this, but yeah, still have a lot of difference like the culture or like what are we celebrating or something like that.